Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some abstract Valentine's Day nail art. This is going to be short and sweet, straight to the point, and right now I'm using some nude polish from the Makartt and Femi Beauty collaboration. This one is called Sugar. I am rocking this same set, polygel set that I did 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks strong. I've not experienced any lifting or anything like that, so I really just wanted to keep on the polygel and just do a gel polish tutorial, which I thought would be fun. I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this polish, and then I'm going to cure in between coats.
Know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it.
Once I cured everything, I started on my nails and I ran into a storage issue, which I didn't even realize until I was 2 nails deep in, so I apologize about that. But I do the same thing on the other 2 nails, so I'm going to be showing that here now. Just using some gel art that I got off of Amazon and creating some lines, doing some color blocking, and then I'm going to outline everything in black. And then we're going to add a cute little heart to make it more Valentine's Day like. When using a nail art gel, make sure you cure between each color. You want to do it for at least 30 to 45 seconds just to make sure it's all secure and in place, because if you mess up any of the other colors and you go to wipe it off with alcohol, you could possibly smear it if you don't cure it long enough.
Me love now unconditional. My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also weak and the knees falling to the floor. Afraid I lose myself deep in your eyes, and all at once I'm found and recognized. Oh, you caught me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, all the feels. Each time your gaze meets mine, get all a flutter, feeling butterfly. Shot to the heart with all of Cupid's arrows. I'm flying higher with my own Romeo. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean.
This here is the finished look. I really didn't have any of this in mind like when I started. I just kept going with the flow, and yeah, this is what we came up with. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these abstract nails, and yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!